Pass is Big Dune Recreational Area along the Nevada-California border. Its 610 acres of towering sand dunes attracts off-roaders from all over. While this milestone marks the end of our journey from the Mojave Road, it marks the beginning of our journey into Death Valley. We just filled up in Panamint Springs, and my gosh, that gas was super expensive. That was like $4.67 a gallon, was it?
I think so.
Yeah, that was ridiculous. We are now heading up the mountain again here, and going to make our way to, let me pull up my map here. We're going to be making our way to Saline Valley, and go check out some hot springs and some more sand dunes. And we've had some pretty good weather this entire trip so far, but looking around, I think it might rain on us. I don't know. It's really, really hard to tell. Up in the mountains here, it looks like it's just downpouring out in the distance, but down in the valley, everything's kind of clear. So we'll just have to see how things hold out. morning, everybody. So we made it. We're at camp. Got in pretty late last night, but all we did was just pull in, set the tent up, and then we just kind of crashed for the evening. It was pretty late, but yeah, we're here. This is the hot springs. Tent's here. Hot springs are right over there. Pretty cool. I walked over and checked it out. It looks really nice, and the water is very, very warm. We're gonna take this morning pretty easy. Taylor's still sleeping in, and yeah, I mean, we got the whole day to get to where we need to go here in Death Valley, so we're just gonna take our time. We're back on the trail here. We just got through at Saline Hot Springs and we are making our way to Saline Pass. The trail to Saline Pass is by far the most technical highlight of our journey, as we occasionally scraped rock more times than I care to admit. Through the middle of the pass, we came across a few drop-offs. It was a bit of a challenge in our stock Xterra, but it was too late to turn back and we had no choice but to move forward. As cautious as we were, we hoped that what you were about to hear wouldn't happen. I got us a trophy. So that's part of my leaf spring. We're not really dead in the water, we're just kind of crippled. Nothing's like broken to the point where we're dead in the water, but we're just gonna have to take things easy till we get back to pavement. But luckily from here out, it's mostly just gonna be flat dirt road. So we just gotta take things easy and we should be able to get back to pavement where I can figure out what to do about this. If you look here, I have my leaf springs here, and over there I have some U-bolts. And if you look between this leaf spring and this top one, there is a middle one there, and that's where it broke off. It just pulled right out. So we limped back here to Furnace Creek. It's like 105 degrees out right now. We're lucky enough to be in the shade of one little cloud coming over that's about to be gone here in a moment. But there's really nothing we can do right now about our leaf spring issue. All the businesses are closed, and if I got it repaired, that would put this vehicle out of commission for who knows how long until it's fixed. And this is actually our home right now, so we kind of need it daily. So the issue doesn't appear to be as bad as I originally thought it would be. We're limping along just fine, and we're not really even limping, we're just kind of being cautious. So I think what we're gonna do, it's getting late, we're just gonna get back on the road. We're not gonna do any more off-road trails. We're kind of putting a hold on that for now and taking it easy. But we're going to go ahead and look for a campsite before the sun sets because it's getting kind of late. Alright guys, so we pulled into camp. We are at a place called Wild Rose. It's a campground that sits in Saline Canyon, and it's on the it's on the west side of Death Valley National Park. It's a pretty cool little place here. Anyway, we got the tent set up. we are cooking dinner, and we're just kind of taking things easy. Originally, we had planned on another 120 miles of backcountry overlanding from Furnace Creek all the way to Ridgecrest, and that's just not happening, considering earlier's mishap with the leaf spring. So we're just kind of taking things easy, sticking close to pavement, no backcountry roads. And I'm going to be sending some photos out tomorrow, get some opinions on what to do with this leaf spring. But meanwhile, we're still able to roll and stay on the road, and we're going to try and keep traveling. And we're just going to keep a close eye on things and just take it easy. We're not going to take risks or anything. If something's sketchy or we got a bad feeling about something, we're just not going to do it. Just be smart about things. Anyway, dinner's going, and I'm getting tired, so we're going to crash for the evening.